Hello everyone, Michelle at Sugarprism. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this adorable little edible Easter bunny. You could use these on so many of your fun little Easter projects or put them in an Easter basket as a cute little treat. The Sugarprism edible acrylic paint colors I'm using are Haughty Pink and Tuxedo Black. I'm using a small piece of fondant mixed with cornstarch, but you can also sculpt this out of gum paste or modeling chocolate. I'm going to start off by rolling 2 small balls of that fondant, and you want to make one just a little bit bigger than the other. When you're rolling the balls, make sure you give them a good roll to get all of those little lines and creases out of the surface of your fondant. Press them gently into a disc shape. Next, form 2 small balls the same size. And then roll one end between your fingers so you can taper one side, kind of like making a little teardrop shape. Give them both a little gentle press, and what we're doing is we're forming the little bunny feet. Make sure you have them the right size that you want. Brush it with a little bit of water to glue them on. I like to space mine apart a little bit and then angle them out. I think it makes it look kind of cute. Brush on a little water where you want the tail to go, and then just stick on a little ball of fondant. And we're going to give that a minute to set on before I show you how to make that little tail look fuzzy. Add 2 small dents on the edge of that smaller disc. That's where we're going to put those 2 little bunny ears. Brush on a small amount of water. For the little ears, you're going to do just like you did the feet. You're just going to roll 2 little balls, except this time they're going to be rounded on both ends instead of tapered on one end. Kind of like the shape of a little tic-tac. Give them a slight gentle press, and then take your tool and just put a line down the middle of each one of those. And I like to stick them on, touching each other on top of the head where we brush that water. Using the same soft rubber sculpting tool, what I'm doing here is I'm adding a little U shape with a split down the middle. Kind of in the middle or middle to lower is a good place for that. That is our bunny smile and that little split under the bunny nose. Then roll a very small piece of fondant for the nose and stick it on with a little water. And then I use a sharp pair of tweezers and I just start pinching all around on that little ball of fondant for the bunny tail. See how it makes it look fuzzy? Isn't that cute? I'm going to use a size 3-0 from the Sugarprism Artist Brush set to paint on some details. I dip my brush into the water and then I mix it into the dry mix. This is the Haughty Pink. I'm going to paint the little nose and then paint the little pads of the feet, making sure you leave enough room for some little toes. I'm going to give each foot 3 toes. And then using the Tuxedo Black, we're going to give 3 little whiskers on each side of the face, 2 little dots for the eyes, and then I'm going to give them some little eyebrows on top just to give them a little expression. Ta-da! Cute little edible Easter bunnies in any color you want. Aren't these adorable? I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fun, free Sugarprism tutorials from Michelle at Sugarprism.